Hello boys and girls and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so you'll need to make sure you've got your jotter and a pencil at the ready. Okay, I have got one of our words and I have put it into a sentence. We're going to build that sentence together and see if we can write the words down correctly. Our word is blue. Blue. Our sentence is, the wind blew over the tree. Can you say that? Super. Let's see if we can whisper it. The wind blew over the tree. Your turn. Let's say it really loudly this time. The wind blew over the tree. Your turn. Superb. Let's check and see how many words are in this sentence. The wind blew over the tree. 6 words, 1 sentence. The wind blew over the tree. What do we need at the start of our sentence, boys and girls? That's right, a capital letter. We need to make sure we have finger spaces in between each of our words. Underline our special friends. And at the end of our sentence, we need a full stop. Excellent. I'd like you to pause the video and write your sentence down now. On you go. Right, boys and girls, let's go over our sentence. Can you remind me of the sentence that we were writing? The wind blew over the tree. The red tricky word. We need a capital letter at the start, our capital T, H and A. The finger space, wind, wind, the wind blew, oo sound, and we know that that is made up of A and W. Underline that special friend. The wind blew over, O, V, A and And so we've got the wind blew over the tree. The finger space, T, H, A, finger space, T, E. T, and what E is it? That's right, E. What can you see? A and A. Full stop at the end. Let's go back and check our sentence. The wind blew over the tree. Your turn. Superb. I want you to give yourself a huge tick for our capital letter at the start. Give yourself a tick for the word blue if you spelled it correctly. And a big tick for your full stop at the end. Now you can go on to do more of your words that you will find in the Google Classroom section under your group for Read Write Ink. Remember to take a photograph of your finished work as well and get practicing for day 3 of your reading book. Those super speedy sounds, story green words and red tricky words to help you read your book with fluency and lots of expression. Well done, boys and girls. I will see you next week for more super speedy sounds. Bye, boys and girls.